Play end of beginning.
Playing end of the beginning.
Just one more bit to cry. One teardrop from my just staying for. The time is currently around, I think 9 or 10 something. I actually want to head to the library today to get some more work done and to showcase what I actually fixed. So let me get the fuck up. But first, yo nasty ass gotta brush your teeth, twin. I know now y'all nasty ass niggas be waking up with them, be waking up in the morning, be waking up in the morning without a bad movement, without a piss, without brushing your teeth.
You clearly wake up in the morning without knowing how to talk, so once you fix that, then you can talk shit about niggas that don't brush their teeth.
And you know what I'm doing. Oh, she never changed. I'm trying to find a toothpaste. I'm not even finding toothpaste already. What about that? It's been a really, really messed up week. 7 days of torture, 7 days of bitter. My girlfriend really cheating on me. He's a California dime, but it's time for me to quit it. La la la, whatever. La la la, it doesn't matter. La la la, oh well. La la la, we're going tonight. Tonight is a rooftop party on top of the way. Tonight is a rooftop party on top of the way. Don't know if I make it, but once I do it, I fake it. Tonight. I need something with this mess of the hair, bro.
Oh, don't mind the hole in my shirt. I might have taken a tang with the tag, and yeah, the fabric came with it. People who know me know that I hate to feel a tag in the shirt, but it always is itchy. It's only time for tag is like, don't even bother.
We get no more routine, I come here at the gym. I'm not gonna show y'all that, but I will show y'all when I get there. So like that when I'm done. And workouts, and once we done with the gym, we're gonna head to the library. We're gonna get to actually work and like I'm Tony Stark. I'm working like I'm Tony Stark. Back and bicep day is complete. Now I gotta straighten up this room and throw on some clothes and we can head out. So give me about like 10 minutes. So we just got here. I'm just chilling right now. Y'all wanna see a little view? It's a little downtown view. It's why it's so dark. Oh my god. So we do have to pretty much have to be quiet as hell in this bitch because you are in a fucking library after fucking all. But let me show you what I fixed or did after 1 to 2-ish days of coding and debugging and fixing and shit like that. Nano now running. Hey Nano, could you open Chrome? Hey Nano, could you open YouTube for me as well?
Opening YouTube.
Could you tell me the current weather in Chicago right now? Could you tell me the current weather in Chicago?
The weather in Chicago is few clouds. It's 65.73 degrees Fahrenheit, feels like 65.34, with 71% humidity.
Thank you, Nano.
You are welcome, sir.
Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? Oh my god, Could you tell me the time? Time. I'm about to fucking kill myself because I'm in a fucking library. I would want to fucking speak loud. So hold the fuck on. Could you tell me the time?
4:19 p.m.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Shut down.
Shutting down, sir.
Okay, so that's how shit works. I have about 40-ish minutes, give or take, to code a new feature and this shit. So, yeah. Okay, you see? Yeah. Alright, so look. I just got done finished with a new feature. Pretty much I coded Spotify. So if I needed to play a certain song, certain playlist, whatever, then it play automatically. But since the library about to close, I'm gonna have to show you this shit when I'm at home. Play end of beginning.
Playing end of the beginning.
Just one more one teardrop from my when things are black and white. Remember 24. But it's all being controlled by her. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. All controlled by her, by the way. My Lumen. All controlled by her. When it back to the end of beginning. Back home, or days later, recording this final clip. But that was just showcasing of the Spotify feature that I coded in that last clip you showed. It was last week, honestly. But new feature updates, I'll show you guys that. And yeah, bye.